Listen guys, before the video starts, I just want to do huge disclaimers, and what I'm about to say, I don't want anybody out there to get discouraged. If you like lights, go ahead, put the lights, don't care what anybody says. I'm just explaining my judgment here. So I grew up watching Fast and the Furious, right? You guys know that, man. Fast and Furious, amazing movie, bro. I love it. All the freaking amazing cars, everything, everybody had lights. The cars just look freaking amazing, right? But all the cars are built. So I told myself I would not put underglow unless my car looked decent and a little bit of power in the car in order for me to have lights, just so it's not all show, right? My goal here is to build a somewhat balanced car, you know, have some looks, have a little bit of power, have just like a little fun car, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, you guys are probably asking yourself, well, you don't have any performance mods, so like technically you're breaking your law, right? Technically, yes, I am. The only reason I'm doing this is because next week things are gonna change. Things are gonna change. I'm gonna go to Los Angeles next week, for those of you guys who are new to the channel, and I'm gonna pick up the most expensive purchase I have ever made on this channel, and well, let's just say my motor is gonna be put to risk. So with that being said, I am going to be putting underglow on this car, knowing that next week I am going to be, you know, putting a big performance bar on this car, and you know, I'm not even worried about it. Plus, I love freaking lights, bro. You guys know I have interior lights, everything, like all my cars, LEDs are all upgraded. I love lights, man. So underglow on this car will be pretty sick. I'm not gonna drive it at night every single time, but I think it would look sick. So hopefully today our goal is to install some neon lights on the G35, play some Need for Speed Underground 2 music or some Midnight Club music too, and let's get started with this project. It's around like 9:20 p.m. so now I went ahead and purchased this through Amazon. It was around $56, I believe. Now what I love about this is that it has everything that you need. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. This is gonna be held on by 3M tape, but you guys already know with 3M tape, you know, it rains outside, you know, things get wet, and you know, the freaking 3M tape is gonna start degrading over time. So it comes with everything. It comes with these plastic fasteners that you can bolt onto the car to hold the lights. It also comes with plenty of zip ties right here. They thought this through. As far as the size right here, I have my splitter right here, and this is the side skirt. We're gonna go ahead and put it close to the splitter as much as possible, so I can still have space to jack the car here on the sides, where I jack it up like over here in the sides. Messed. There you go. See? Nice. All right, guys. So we just put the front side and then this long left side. Oh, that's sick. I'll show you guys how he puts the support to hold on the LED bar, because even though it has double-sided tape, it said those are gonna wear and it's gonna fall off, so we do put extra support so it can hold the LED bar just in case once the tape starts messing up. And there you go. From this wire, this is the back of the car. Those are the back tires. I put it through the airbag line. I attached this because that one's not getting hit, so I'm gonna put it close to it because that one's not gonna get hit either. I'm a little scared because, you know, I scraped my front splitter hella, so we put it towards the back because the back side of the front splitter seemed to be undamaged, so hopefully this will last a long time. And I think we're pretty much done with this. We knocked it off in about an hour and a half. Pretty easy. But we still need to figure out this. You got the black and the negative and the positive. We gotta figure out somehow how to connect this to the battery. I'm pretty sure we're just gonna stuff it in there and then have it connect and then tying it up. For right now, temporary, we are gonna do an official way. All right, guys, so now that we're done, let's go ahead and explore the features, all right? So we get this remote right here. You could uncover the magic. So A is for on. Check that out. Turn it off, turn it on. B is for brightness. How bright do you want it? And then you have C is for color. What color you want? Different colors. There's 20 colors you can switch to. And then we have then we got D. D is for like show modes. different show modes. Here you guys, my face, I don't know if you guys can see, is super dirty. I look like Michael Jackson in Thriller. My name is... Alright, relax. If you thought that was basic, bro, you can connect this through Bluetooth, and there is so many more options. Let's go ahead and check it out. Bam! Look at that. Woo! We cannot flash though, that's illegal. I'm so glad at least neon lighting is legal in California. That's, at least I'm happy about that. Okay, now that is awesome. This is sick right here. That's what I'm talking about. Turn off the light for you guys. Oh, that is so sick, bro. Okay, guys, so we're done. It is 12 a.m. though. I'm gonna see somehow. I'm gonna try to see if I can go ahead and pick up my girlfriend. Oh, dude, she's a real. If she does this, she's definitely a real one. A real one. But I'm gonna see if she's probably asleep. Nah, I'm being dumb right now. Yo, check this out. Check this out, bro. Check this out. Bam! She's checking it out. Wait. Stay out there. Stay out there. Check this out. Oh, shit. Check. Yeah, this is my favorite right here. Dark purple. Is it purple? Is it purple? Yeah, it's just purple. I'm a beach. Alright guys, so I went to a gas station. I took a picture because you guys saw it on the thumbnail. I completely forgot to record because there was somebody acting real sketchy. Once again, it's 1 a.m. so there was somebody sketchy at the gas station, so I had to dip. We found this location. It has this light right here, but let me show you the car, man. It looks amazing. Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. Look at that shit, bro. That shit's so sick, bro. I'm living my dream life right now. Need for Speed, Underground 2. Bro, I am living the dream right now, bro. What is this? I don't care how rice this is. This is awesome, but don't worry, guys. Next week we are picking up, man. I already want to tell you guys, and I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm picking up, and there's going to be a special guest star on that video too. Huge special guest star, so really excited. But damn, dude, that thing looks awesome. This back end. Ooh. So with that being said, let's say bye to the G35. I'll catch you guys next video. I'm gonna try to make one more video, and then I'm gonna release the freaking banger that I've been waiting for my whole entire life, bro. This car's ready to blow. I mean, this car's ready to go a little bit faster. Stay safe out there. Be distinct. Love you guys. Stay safe. Stay smooth, bro. You guys already know. Catch you guys later. Peace.
Damn, bright ass lights.